The clan MacAlpine is Celtic. It is claimed that this clan is a royal one, and that it is the most ancient in the Highlands. Some records indicate that for 25 generations kings of Scotland were of the MacAlpine lineage. The ancient crest was a boar's head, the war cry being Cmnrick Bas Ailpein, remember the death of Alpin. The Alpin alluded to was King Alpin, murdered by Brudus after the defeat of the Scots by the Picts near Dundee in 834. The traditional home of the MacAlpines was Dunstaffnage, near Oban, Argyll. Some historians assign an Alpinian origin to the MacGregors, Mackinnons, Macnabs, Grants, Macquarries, and others, and group them together under the name of Siol Ailpein. Doubt has been cast on the accuracy of this origin. The MacGregor clan seems to have been the principal one. This would seem vouched for in the MacGregor motto, is Rioghail mo Dhreain, my race is royal, though later writers question this. Unfortunately most of the foregoing is vague tradition. No MacAlpine has recorded arms or pedigree.